Did you know your iPhone can use Maps without internet? Seriously, you can download areas in advance and still use navigation offline. Perfect for traveling road trips, bad signal areas, or saving mobile data. And most people never use this feature. This is how to do it. Open Apple Maps. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Now tap Offline Maps. Tap Download New Map. Search for a city or area you want. Now resize the map area if needed. Then tap Download. Done. Your iPhone now saves that area offline. You can still get directions, search places, and navigate, even without signal. But here's the useful part. Your iPhone can also update offline maps automatically. Just turn on automatic updates inside offline map settings. Now your maps stay current without extra effort. This is incredibly useful for flights, traveling abroad, underground trains, or poor signal areas. Most iPhone users still rely completely on internet for maps, but I have just shown that you don't have to.